right, we are doing a room review at Saratoga Springs. So this room is really nice, super excited to show it to you. So this is a 1-bedroom deluxe villa, preferred room. So let's go in and take a look. We are staying in room 4203. So let's go on in. So we come in here to the main area. Have a nice little entry. There's a little table, kind of put your keys or whatever. We got our luggage kind of right here. And there's a nice little mirror and an area to hang your coats as you soon enter. Let me take a turn here. You got a digital thermostat. And then you got a nice little seating area here, a couple chairs and a bench and table. Nice little dining room chandelier hanging there. Nice little mirror decor hanging behind it. As soon as we turn around this way, we have our full-size kitchen. So this is very nice if you'll be staying here for a long period of time. So it's got a full-size fridge. Oh, so from this side, okay, here we go. So, nice full size, got some ice trays in there. Fridge part down here. Full size stove over here for use. Full size microwave. It's got provided cups, bowls, more cups there. Provided plates, wine glasses, a serving dish up there, some coffee mugs, some smaller plates. There's some like baking dishes, measuring cups, strainer, all your needs. Down here is gonna be some pans, some napkins, dish detergent. We got a full-size dishwasher, paper towel, hot pads, toaster, all different kinds of coffees available, teas, creamers, sugars, stirring rods, coffee pot, portable coffee cups, a ice tray there, or ice bucket. Trash under here and recycling. A nice large sink with dishwasher or garbage disposal. Here, some more soap. And kind of over here to the living room area. Very nice sized living room. A little table, phone. Some cute little Mickey golfing here because there is a full golf course on property that's available to you. Little table here. Pulls up, kind of meets your needs if you would like to eat in front of the television. Also some storage underneath. Nice couch. A little reclining area there with ottoman. Nice large television. Little corner lamp. Has this bed that pulls down here underneath the television. Cute little display there of Goofy as a jockey there in the back of a horse. And then over here we have a second bed. Pulls down from the wall. Back here they have a cute little like Victorian house with Donald and Daisy, and Mickey and Minnie and Pluto all chilling out there. Oh, there's Goofy up there too. I didn't even notice him before. And I love this view and this balcony area we have. So some chairs out there and a little table. We have this gorgeous view of the lake. Very nice. So continue around this way. So we have this very nice bathroom here. So the sink area. Very nice shower here. Corner shower. It's got one of those rainfall type shower heads and also a wand. So very nice. Oh, it also has that thing that pulls out for swimsuits. And this is always a nice feature. They have the toilet separated off into its own little area. So that's here behind this door. Some nice little artwork as well. We turn, go this way, and here is the bedroom off of the area. So a nice king size bed. Some nice artwork there above. Showing some different types of horse racing and some artwork with the characters on there. It's Mickey and Minnie racing and Goofy just kind of relaxing. There's Pluto down there just chilling, and Donald and Daisy. Some nice artwork here is the lamps. Has those chargers, which I love. Some new plug-ins. Also has area under the bed to put your luggage, which is fantastic. Has a really nice dresser under the television. And then a really nice TV. Another nice corner lamp. And then also even has a sitting chair with an ottoman. Another side table over here on this side with another one of those lamps with the plugs, USB plugs. And then another great feature to this room is it kind of has this second half bath. So another nice large full sink area over here. So while someone's over in the other bathroom showering and getting ready, you have the sink over here where someone else can be getting ready. Nice big mirror. Have that makeup mirror over here as well. And then this is super nice. You have this bathtub over here. Very nice, deep bathtub. You can kind of relax, chill over here, have a nice bubble bath. Just kind of chill. Soak it up after those long days at the park. It's very nice. Spin over here. There's this little closet. And in here they have your vacuum and your ironing board. There's a little safe. Extra pillows and blankets. Places to hang your clothing. And then also a nice feature is they have this door that comes off the master bedroom. So you can access the toilet and the shower and such without having to go through the living room area. So that's a very nice feature as well that I love about this room. So this Saratoga Springs 1-bedroom villa deluxe is super nice. Highly recommend it. This is our first time staying here. But I'm in love with it. This is definitely someplace I think I would come back and enjoy again. So we just wanted to show it to you guys, let you guys know what it was all about. So feel free to drop any comments down in there and let us know what you guys think about it.